Here's some code to take a screenshot with Selenium, and let's run this. And that went wrong because by doesn't have an attribute class name. And in this video, a quick trick how to inspect that object. I put a breakpoint right before the by to see what it has. And now I can do a dir on by, which in this case is a class name because before this video I already did an inspect on this paragraph. And I saw that I need to target block quote with a class of byte description. So let's try that again. And now it worked. Screenshot could be better, but at least now you know how to inspect Python objects.